Hi, Year 2. This is lesson 8 of our English work. So what we're going to be doing today is, yesterday you've done your plan. So you've got your plans already. You might need to have them in front of you today to be helping you with your writing. And you might want to re-look at that rainbow piece of information as well, just so you know how we're going to set it out. Because your 4 boxes that you've done are going to be the 4 different sentences that we've got here, okay? So we're going to have your title, your introduction, your first fact, your second fact, and a fascinating fact. So we've got here 1, 2, 3, there's 5 spaces here, isn't there, with a fascinating fact as well, isn't there? Okay. So we need to check these things here first. We've chosen an interesting topic that we know a lot about. Check. We have planned our text. Check. We have chosen your audience, so who you are writing this piece of information to. So you should have put that in your little box here, shouldn't you, yesterday? Okay. So what we're going to be doing now is you're going to be using your plan to write out your full sentences now. We need to be writing in full sentences those pieces of information you've got, okay? So when we're writing a sentence, we need to say each sentence out loud before you write it down. We also need to, once we've written it down, we need to check it, don't we? We need to think about our sentence as we're writing it, so making sure we're still saying it and writing it whilst we're writing it. We need to start each sentence with a capital letter. You need to finish each sentence with a full stop, or if you need to use a question mark, maybe in there, you might need to use if it's a question. You need to reread what you've written to check that it works and that it's correct. So to check it's making sense all the time. And we need to try our best with our handwriting. So these are the things that I want you to be doing as you are writing, okay? And we could also be using conjunctions in our work. The word and, the word because. So giving reasons to why. So a rainbow is formed when the light touches I can't get my words out. A rainbow is formed when the raindrops hit the light at a certain angle. Because, and then you can carry on with that, can't you? So I'd like you to be using some of these conjunctions in our work as well. So you could perhaps have this piece of paper and see where you could fit these words in there as an extra challenge using conjunctions in our work. We also need to make sure that you're leaving space in your writing for your pictures or diagrams. So when you finish writing it, that is when you would add your pictures in, but you've got to finish your writing first. So you do one sentence, then maybe leave a space if you want to be putting a diagram in there as well. So that is going to be your challenge for today. So if you're in the classroom with Mrs. Bayfield today, if you're doing this lesson on Friday, then I want you to really have a look at all the work that you've done so far in the classroom and just see that you're up to this point. Because if you're not up to this point, you need to have a look at the videos that we've already put on here. But just making sure we're just checking our sentences and you're writing about something that you really want to write about as well. That you're using your plan and it's something that you know lots about. Okay, so have a go at that today and just keep looking at these bits in your work pack. Keep reading these bits. It's so important that we're making sure our sentences make sense and that we're practicing our handwriting as well. And we've got these, we could explain our facts by using these words: because, so, as, when. And when we're joining our facts together, we could put the word and, also, and in addition. Oh, in addition, we haven't used that one. We've used and also in our work, but we've never used in addition. Maybe you could challenge yourself to write that as well, couldn't you? So you'll need to look at your plan and then write down your information text. It might take you a while to do this, so you could keep breaking off if you want to, and making sure we're taking our time with this. It's a bit of a bigger challenge to do today, with your pictures, so you might need to do your writing first, then break off, and then come back and do your pictures, because I want to make sure it's all neat and it looks amazing, okay? But have a lovely day, and I can't wait to see this work that you've all been doing. Okay, see you later. Bye. Actually, before I go, I just wanted to say that I think you're all absolutely amazing. You're all doing absolutely amazing at home. I want to make sure you're getting your fresh air as well, and that you're looking after everybody at home, and you're all just safe, and yeah, just make sure you're having a lovely time. So I want this piece of information to be something that you enjoy. Like, it can be anything. It's just personal to you, isn't it? So if you've wanted to write about, like I said yesterday, Chris Hadfield or Frida Kahlo, because I know some of you loved learning about those people, so that'd be like quite a good thing to write about, because in the next few weeks we're going to also be writing another piece of like a fact file we're going to be doing at home. So this is a good way to kind of get used to how we plan things as well. So yeah, have a lovely day, and I will see you later. Happy Friday, everybody. Bye.